Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 16-foot by 48-inch Ultra XTR Frame Pool, Pump, and Cleaning Kit. This convenient swimming pool set includes a ground cloth, debris cover, ladder, and a Krystal Clear 110 to 120 V, 1200 GPH Sand Filter Pump to keep your water clean and safe. Keep your pool clean with the included Qualco Chemical Cleaning Kit. The kit includes two 8-ounce containers of mini slow-dissolving 1-inch chlorinating tablets, 1 pound of Shock Extra, 1 pound of AlkaPlus pH plus powder, and 10 chlorine test strips so you can check to see if the water is ready and safe to swim in. Product benefits: durable, above-ground pool designed for fun and relaxation. Contemporary design adds beauty to any backyard thanks to a dark gray laminated pool liner, brilliant white copings, and blue tile print interior. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.